Today we do the no thumbs challenge. Who do you think will do best? Hey, good morning, guys. I'm hungry. Let's see what we have for breakfast. It looks like Mike got up early. Do you think he prepared our breakfast? This looks suspicious. Okay, super. The place is set, but where is the food? I know he is up to something. Mike has prepared the no thumbs challenge for us. What? Oh no! Is it serious? Okay, so let's see which of us will be the fastest. After breakfast, we get dressed and we'll join Mike in the bathroom for the next challenge. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, so to open the jar of peanut butter, we must work as a team. But after that, it's each for herself. Oh la la, not easy to spread without my thumbs. That's it, that's better. Go faster, faster! Hey, we still have to make time to chew. I wonder what Mike is preparing us in the bathroom. I'm finishing my bowl of cereals. My glass of juice and my last bite of toast. And I'm done. Bye-bye! Okay, now makeup challenge without thumbs. Phew. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, so we start with the foundation. Not easy to open the tube of mascara, but I'll get there. Okay, same technique for the lipstick now. The first one to join Mike outside wins first place. Ho ho, my sister is already ahead of me. Okay dear, I think she has a chance to win this time. Hurry, hurry! Oh no, that's it! She's done. Okay, but maybe I can still catch up. I'm wondering what is waiting for us outside. Congratulations on your first place, little sister. Your prize is on the first step of the podium. Mike is great. He has even planned a consolation prize. It was really fun. Will you also try the no thumbs challenge with your friends? Bye and see you soon! We love having fun with makeup. Here are 8 makeup and beauty hacks that will make your life a little easier and fun. We are enjoying a glass of Kool-Aid juice. Time to put on my lipstick, but I can't find it. Don't worry, did you know you can use Kool-Aid to stain your lips? Pour some Kool-Aid powder into a small container. Add just a little bit of water, stir to make a paste. Using a cotton swab, apply a layer of Kool-Aid paste to your lips. Leave the paste on your lips for a little while to give it time to dry. Then wipe the excess paste off and voila! A cute color on your lips. Wow, now that's cool and tasty! I wish I had somewhere to put all my makeup brushes. I have an idea. How about a can of food? Really? Sure, it will make for a great brush holder. Open a can and remove its content. Then clean the can thoroughly. Remove the label with scissors. Let's make the can prettier by adding some decorative paper. Cut the contact paper to the right size. Then glue the paper onto the can. Make sure to even out any folds on the paper. Wow, that is such a cute hack! I love it! I just got a new orange lipstick and I can't wait to try it on. Oh no, it broke in half. And I didn't even get to try it on. Don't worry, you can repair it using a lighter. Just put the two broken parts back together. Then gently use the lighter to melt the pieces back together. Now wait for the lipstick to dry and voila! The lipstick might not be as strong as before, but it will work just fine. So what do you think? Does the color suit me? Is this lipstick a keeper? Putting on nail polish without messing up can be hard. I always seem to get some nail polish on my skin. I give up. Don't worry, I can help you with that. One way to avoid getting nail polish on your skin is to add school glue around your nails. Then wait for the glue to dry and paint your nails. I seem to be out of glue. Well, if you don't have glue, you can also use petroleum jelly. Just apply the jelly around your nails using a cotton swab. Make sure to not get any glue or petroleum jelly on your nails, just the skin. Paint your nails and wait for them to dry. Now, just peel off the glue or remove the petroleum jelly with a tissue to reveal gorgeous nails. Cool, right? Bobby pins are just so practical. I use them all the time. But what do you do when they just don't stay in place and slide off? Like this, when I'm trying to fix my braid. This hack will show you how to make your bobby pin stay firmly in place. Instead of inserting the bobby pin as you normally would, insert it only halfway. Then flip the bobby pin around and insert the rest in the opposite direction. Voila! Now my braid will stay firmly in place. I'm almost ready to leave. I just need some blush on my cheeks. But I'm all out of blush. Luckily, I know just what to do. I'll use my lipstick as blush. Sweep your fingers across the lipstick to pick up enough product. Then rub your fingers together to warm it up. Now smile into a mirror to find the apples of your cheek. Gently apply the color and work your way across your cheekbones. If you didn't put enough product the first time around, just add another layer until you get the look you want. I just love this hack. I love this color of lipstick. Too bad it won't last long on my lips. See, it comes right off. Well, I know a simple hack to turn your regular lipstick into a long-lasting lipstick. First, pull apart a tissue so you only have one ply. Lay the tissue over your lips. Use a brush and apply translucent powder on top of the tissue, like this. This will let a small amount of powder set your lipstick without looking dry or dulling the color, and will make your lipstick last much longer. Great, right? I brought you 3 perfumes to choose from. Not that one. This one just isn't me. Ah, now this scent! Just right! But where are the best places to apply perfume for long-lasting effect? Well, you need to apply some on the inside of your wrist, the inside of your elbow, behind your ear, at the base of your throat, and on the inside of your knees. But my favorite place is to gently brush the scent onto my hair, like this. It it smells so good! We hope you liked this video. Which of these hacks is your favorite? Let us know in the comments.